Hey guys, Emma, did you start recording? Yes. I told you not to record until I finish my work. But it looked like you finished it. Seriously? Never mind. So guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a bit of work. We're going to be showing you guys my birds. And I was just doing some work about them, some information. I'm just going to send it to the boss. And right now at our zoo, if I've already said that, I don't know. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and hit that bell so when I post a video, you'll get notified to watch it straight away, but you don't have to. So, guys, I'm going to quickly go get the cages and everything I need. Back, I'm just going to put their cages right here. Okay, so I have my birds. First I'm going to show you who they are. So I'm going to show you them. Alright, you. So this is Greg. And if you're wondering, what does he have here? When he was 6, he had a car accident. So he was flying. We didn't really know. He was walking across the road and I hit him. So we found him and we had to stitch him up. That also happened with her because they were friends and they were walking just across the street. They were walking to their house so they can eat dinner because they were having a little play date. And their parents said, go for a walk and come back at a certain time. They said, I think. Yeah, because I know how to talk by language. Yeah. Alright, and he's been alive for 27 years. So he's 27. Here is Olivia. She was his friend. That's what I told you. That's why she has these marks. We had to stitch them up. She's also 27. But they weren't born at the same time. But they're both 27. So he is 7 months older. She's just 27. So he's 7 months older. So yeah. So yeah. So yeah, she's really, really cute. And and I really, really love her wings. Now they're parents, which I want to show you their kids. And today's really, really hot. That's why I'm wearing this jumpsuit. It's very thin. And I still have the windows open. Don't worry about that background because we have visitors here at the zoo. And then now I'll show you guys. Yeah, and I have a boo-boo. It's so sore. So I'll show you the older one. Actually, I'll show you the younger one. So I need to support their heads. I'm supporting at the back with this finger. So I have to support their heads. This is a lilac. And it's very cute. I really, really love her. Because she likes even her head. She is actually, how old is she? I can't remember. Oh, she's 3 months old, I forgot. Yeah, so we've really had her for 3 months. She really loves moving her head. They like chirping a lot. She likes chirping a lot, but when she sees a camera, She really doesn't like trapping. And she has one of these because when she was born, she has this because when she was born, she got a bit of scratches. No, she got cuts. So we had to stitch them up. I'm still holding her neck here. And I'll show you her little sister. So they're both girls. Oh gee, I hurt myself in my cage. Alright. So this is that her older sister. My tummy is growling. I'm hungry. And oh my god, I forgot to support her neck. And this is what is her name again? I nearly forget all the names because I have to remember all of the animals' names. So this is Boo Boo. And she also really loves turning her head. But same with her, she's really shy on camera. And she also got cuts in her back. And she's actually only 1 month old. No, she's 2 months old. So her sister is 1 month older than her. And yeah, I really love her. I really love her because she always opens her mouth. Oh, I forgot to put spot on it. She's always putting her mouth open. Alright, I'm going to close her mouth. She never closes it. Alright. So yeah, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye. Oh, wait. They're both eating it. Oh, they can't reach it. I might have to put their food on a lower place for them. Put down there. Okay. Oh, now it's not going to work. Okay. Pop you on. I'd say at least here, please. Can you do it for me? Wow, this doesn't want to do it. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.